జనరల్ నాలెడ్జ్ లో మన విజ్ఞానాన్ని మరింత పెంచేందుకు టీసాట్ ప్రత్యేక కార్యక్రమం చేపట్టింది. పలు అంశాలపై మనకున్న తెలివితేటల్ని పరీక్షించుకోవడం, తెలియని అంశాలపై అవగాహన పెంచుకునేందుకు ఈ కార్యక్రమం రూపకల్పన చేసింది. ఈ ప్రత్యేక క్విజ్ కార్యక్రమంలో మీరు పాల్గొనాలనుకుంటున్నారా? మీ విజ్ఞానాన్ని మా ద్వారా ప్రపంచానికి పంచాలనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే మీ ప్రశ్నలు మరియు ఆప్షన్స్ మా టీసాట్ ఛానల్ పై. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్: Which institution launched North India's first human DNA bank under Make in India initiative? Option A: Banaras Hindu University. Option B: IIT Kanpur. Option C: Delhi University. Option D: IIT Delhi. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option A: Banaras Hindu University. Banaras Hindu University inaugurates North India's first human DNA bank, equipped with an automated DNA extractor machine developed indigenously under the Make in India initiative. Installed at the Gnaneshwar Lab in the Geology Department on January 30, 2024, the machine minimizes plastic usage, ensuring environmental sustainability. It efficiently extracts DNA from various biological materials, accommodating 32 samples in 30 minutes. The initiative stemmed from a 3-day conference on personalized medicine held in March 2023, where BHU expressed readiness to establish a genome bank inspired by Estonia. Next question: Vyomitra robo recently seen in the news is associated with which space mission? Option A: Aditya L1. Option B: Gaganyaan. Option C: Chandrayaan 3. Option D: Chandrayaan 2. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option B: Gaganyaan. India's Vyomitra, a female rover astronaut, will precede the Gaganyaan mission, marking India's inaugural human spaceflight. Set for a third-quarter launch in 2024, Vyomitra simulates human functions in space, monitoring parameters, issuing alerts, and executing life support operations. Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh revealed these details, emphasizing Vyomitra's capabilities. Gaganyaan, scheduled for 2025, aims to launch Indian astronauts into orbit, demonstrating human space capabilities. The successful TVD-1 test in October 2023 validated crucial systems for Gaganyaan, assuring readiness for the manned mission. Next question: Which country's instant payment platform Ani was linked with India's UPI? Option A: Qatar. Option B: Nepal. Option C: UAE. Option D: Myanmar. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option C: UAE. India and the United Arab Emirates announced that they would link their instant payment platforms UPI and Ani. The agreement will allow for seamless cross-border transactions between the two countries. Ani is an instant payment platform that allows users to transfer and settle funds in less than 10 seconds. It initially supports transactions of up to $13,600. The agreement is a part of a number of pacts signed between the two countries in February 2024, including BIT and IGON IMEC. Next question: Which country's women's team clinched the gold medal in the Badminton Asia Team Championship 2024? Option A: Thailand. Option B: India. Option C: Malaysia. Option D: China. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option B: India. India's women badminton team won their first ever gold medal at the Badminton Asia Team Championship in Shah Alam, Malaysia. The team defeated Thailand with 3-2 in the final match, with Anmol Kamp's victory over Porpincha Choi Kiwong in the third singles game clinching the gold. Next question: What is the theme of the World Day of Social Justice 2024? Option A: Bridging gaps, building alliances. Option B: Achieving social justice through formal employment. Option C: Closing the inequalities gap to achieve social justice. Option D: Workers on the move, the quest for social justice. Your time starts now. The correct answer is Option A: Bridging gaps, building alliances. Annually on February 20th, the World Day of Social Justice unites a global community to address worldwide inequality and injustice. Emphasizing decent work and fair globalization, the 2024 theme Bridging Gaps Building Alliances underscores the significance of collaboration in confronting global challenges. This day serves as a crucial reminder to combat social exclusion and advocate for a more just and equitable world. Next question. India signed a Memorandum of Understanding with which country for sharing open source digital public infrastructure? Option A, Colombia. Option B, Chile. Option C, Brazil. Option D, Guyana. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Colombia. India and Colombia signed a Memorandum of Understanding to share India's open source digital public infrastructure. The MOU is for cooperation in digital transformation, including sharing successful digital solutions that have been implemented at population scale. India has developed some of the world's best digital public goods infrastructure, including delivering services to the public during the COVID pandemic. Next question. Which album won the Best Global Music Album Award at the Grammy Awards 2024? Option A, This Moment. Option B, Endless Summer Vacation. Option C, The Record. Option D, World Music Radio. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, This Moment. This Moment by the Indian jazz band Shakti won the 2024 Grammy Award for the Best Global Music Album. The album was released in 2024 and features 8 songs by John McLaughlin, Zakir Hussain, Shankar Mahadevan, V. Selva Ganesh and Ganesh Rajgopalan. The Grammy Awards or Grammys are a series of awards that recognize outstanding achievements in the music industry. Next question. Recently, who has been elected as a new president of International Court of Justice? Option A, Nawaf Salam. Option B, Dalveer Bhandari. Option C, John Donoghue. Option D, Ronnie Abraham. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option A, Nawaf Salam. Nawaf Salam, the first Lebanese and the second Arab, succeeded US Judge John Donoghue as a president of International Court of Justice in The Hague. He serves a 3-year term starting in 2024. Salam began his ICJ journey in 2018, showcasing a distinguished career in international law. As the highest global judiciary authority, ICJ resolves legal disputes between states and offers advisory opinions on UN-related legal matters, playing a crucial role in international relations. Next question. Recently, which country conducted a direct ascent anti-satellite test by destroying an old satellite? Option A, India. Option B, Russia. Option C, China. Option D, USA. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, Russia. Russia recently conducted a direct ascent anti-satellite test, destroying an old satellite. The US criticized the test due to the significant debris it generated in low Earth orbit, posing a threat to the International Space Station. Russia has possessed ASAT capabilities since 1968. Anti-satellite weapons are designed to disable operational satellites, and China, India, Russia, and the United States have demonstrated successful ASAT capabilities. Next question. Recently, which bank has clinched the title of Best Technology Bank of the Year award? Option A, State Bank of India. Option B, South Indian Bank. Option C, HDFC Bank. Option D, Regional Rural Banks. Your time starts now. The correct answer is option B, South Indian Bank. South Indian Bank has been honored as the Best Technology Bank of the Year at the 19th IBA Annual Banking Technology Conference. The bank received 6 awards, including 3 wins, 1 runner-up position, and 2 special mentions. T. Ravishankar, Deputy Governor of the Reserve Bank of India, presented the accolades to P.R. Sheshadri, MD and CEO of South Indian Bank, at the Mumbai venue organized by the Indian Banks Association.
మీ సమాధానాలను మరియు మీ అభిప్రాయాలను
కామెంట్స్ రూపంలో తెలియజేయండి. మీరు టీసాట్ నుంచి ఎటువంటి కార్యక్రమాలను వీక్షించాలని అనుకుంటున్నారో ఈ క్రింది వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ ద్వారా మీ సందేశాలను పంచుకోగలరు. వాట్సాప్ నంబర్ 7337558051.